Hi everyone, how's it going? What a beautiful day again here. We're out here slacklining, just enjoying the beautiful day. So basically I had this short fender from SW-Motech and I had it for 6 months, and this weekend I just decided to install it. I know I've just been waiting for this time, but I don't have any indoor space to do it. So now that the weather is getting better, I have now time to finally install it. So let's do the unboxing. Let's see what's inside and let's do a quick installation. Let's go. Here we go. Let's unbox this thing. I think it's just a box inside the box, and what we need is this white box right here. So let's open it. There we go, and let's pull this. I think this is the fender, obviously, and this small guy right here is the brackets. So let's grab some safety knife, turn the volume down, and let's get some ASMR action right here. How satisfying is that? There we go. I can see the instruction here, which is it is. Here's the fittings and the instruction, and here's the pair of brackets, one for the left and one for the right. And let's open this fender. Unwrap it, get in there, and there's a sleeve. Pull it out. Looks pretty solid. Oh yeah, and here in the front end there's a logo right here. Let me rotate that and do it again. There we go. So yeah, let's install this thing. Let's go. Alright, here we go. So basically this is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is the right tool. So basically you just need Allen key and then unscrew the bracket. I started with the bracket so I can access under the fender. So do the 4 screws, and then you undo this clip, the cable clip, and there we go. As you can see, you got a play now, so you can reach the bolt underneath. So you just use a spanner and my socket wrench, just kind of like stopping the screw from spinning underneath, and then there we go. Do all 4 screws, the front and the back. Pretty easy. And then be gentle not to kind of hit the cable. So basically just tilting it sideways. Again, just be careful not to scratch your bike. Just take your time, and there we go. That's the OEM bracket. And with the fender, again, you just need to tilt it sideways, pretty easy, and then just pull it slowly, and that's the massive fender. Right, it's time for the fun part. So here we got the SW-Motech bracket. They are identical, so don't worry about which goes left or right. So yeah, and then here is the screws for the bracket. So we got a short one and a long one. The long ones goes at the back and 2 short ones for the front. And here, as you can see, you got this 2 spacers, and you can see that there's a thick one and there's a thin one. And then this will make sense later, because the left side of the bike has this bracket for the cable, and then you will see it later during the installation. And here we got 2 colors of 4 screws of each. So you got the chrome and the black. This is really just to give you an option what you want to use. So you got the chrome here and you got the black. Of course we're gonna go with the black. Alright, we're back with the bike. So we're gonna start on the left side of the bike. So we got our bracket here. Again, make sure you get the long screws with the thin spacer at the back, and then the short screw at the front. So like I said, this is the bracket for the cable, and you got this thin spacer. The spacer is basically to align the holes of the bracket to the fender. For some reason, I don't know, maybe the bracket is universal and you just need the spacer to align the holes. But anyway, make sure you do the same on the other side. Take spacer at the back, then the short at the back, and just tighten it up. pretty easy. And again, now it's time for the fender. Here we go. Make sure you get the logo on the front, because that is the front end, and make sure you just align the hole and then just screw them in. It's pretty easy, straightforward. Make sure they're all tight, ready to go, and this is what it looks like.